Okay guys, so this is a video of what I got today. I would have made it a few seconds ago, but I just didn't myself. So I got these pants from a dollar store. There's 24 in it. Okay. Then I got these black skull shoelaces because I needed new ones for my shoes because they're like really bad. Then I got play money for Webkinz and stuff like that. So I'm liking it. Seconds ago, but no, didn't. Okay, so hang on a second. I've got to figure out a way to do this. Stay there. I'm right back. Okay. One second. Trying to find something so I can put out my phone in.
It will be.
Here we go. This should be good. Okay then. Alright, okay, this can see. Okay.
Maybe Dad could give us $10 next week. I mean, the week after next week. You think?
Say hey to the camera.
Oh, hi. Did you tell them about the
Freaking
crabs?
brother, it's cheap.
Yeah, it's bought from the dollar store.
I know.
That's why I can't break. Get out, garbage!
Was it even supposed to do this?
No. It's not supposed to break. But then things are so cheap.
I
You
know.
can't have a warranty even on them. Yeah, hermit crabs are supposed to live for 50 years and they don't live.
How would I do this? You know, I'm just gonna leave it like that. These things are just supposed to be random. You know how cash registers are. They assume, like, they do something and stuff like that, but yeah. Well, those broke off, but oh well. Still got money. Okay, so now let's work on this because it's got a staple going through them. See that? It's got a staple in them. There's a wise guy who did it. Ouch. Stupid idiot who did it. There's gonna be holes in the money, but oh well. Ow! Dude, get out of here, Chico. You're not allowed in the kitchen. Get! Ouch. Really much. Ouch. Just get out already, you stupid staples. There we go. Perfect. It's like hundreds. There are no hundreds. What the crap? There's no place for the hundreds? That's a piece of junk. There's a place for 50s. Place for the 20s. Place for the 10s. 2 10s. 10. 10. 5. Dollars and hundreds. Just the hundreds and
Don't turn it on down.
and
Don't be sure to throw it away.
these are are the dimes. These are the pennies.
They couldn't even see that.
Oh, duh. These are the nickels. No. Did they see the dime?
They saw the dime, they didn't see the penny, they couldn't see it.
There's the penny. And here's the quarter. Quarter.
Did you show the nickel?
Yeah, I just showed it.
Oh, I thought that was a dime.
This is my 1s and 5s, my 10s, my 20s, my 100s and 50s. So,
Oh, yeah.
so I'm going to try to see how to fix this.
I don't know how you fix that. Oh my god, I'm hungry. Thirsty, I mean.
I'll just do that. It looks like money.
I have to message Dad to get Torrid.
Shoot. There we go.
Because you need to hurry up and do that. After. Message him to get ice, Torrid, cat food.
Sorry guys, I was talking to my sister. Okay. And then also it came with this money clip.
Huh?
Money clip. I already have 550 fake monies because of our friend, not our real friends, Angela's children. So freaking broken. God. No. I'm just gonna stick that like that. Hold it there. See? There you go. There's the money. So now, let's get the shoelaces. Okay, hang on. Get some trouble here. There we are. There. These are some long shoelaces. Okay, so that's what I got today. Was the money and the money clip that went like that, the shoelace, and the crayons. So have a nice night and goodbye.